This is how to edit this kind of video using CapCut editing application. What you owe me is to stick to this very video and watch it to the end, as I'll be taking you to the screen to show you the practical way on how to gain this very special effect using CapCut editing application. Please don't forget to share to others.
In your first clip, record this kind of background where you are pouring water from an open can. In your second clip, record yourself in a green background. The next thing is to head over to CapCut editing application. Alright, having the two clips imported to CapCut editing application like this, the next thing you need to do is to highlight the green background video clip like this. Okay, once you have it highlighted like this, then you scroll to this side. You can see what I'm doing here. Then scroll to this side until you get to this very particular stuff here. Overlay, then have it click to bring the video down. Click and hold and take it to the left hand side to tally with the beginning of the first video clip. Okay, you can see here that we have 1 here and 2 here. Okay, the next thing you need to do after overlaying it is to still have it highlighted like this, as you can see. Then you swipe to remove background. As you can see here, having that clicked, then click on chroma key. You can see it here. If you are not getting what I'm explaining, then ask your question. Having that very chroma key clicked, then look at this very background. You will see a circle inside that very illustration circle. You can see it here. Okay, so what you need to do is to touch the circle and move it sideways to know the area that, or the point that will give you a perfect removal of that very green background. Okay, I think it should be okay like this. Then the next step is for you to come over to this very place, intensity, and take that circle forward a bit. Be watching the green part of that very video. Okay, I think this should be okay. Then this 43 is okay. Then click on this very check mark key here. You can see my hand here. Then once you have it, click this particular one. Then once you have it, click to authenticate your action. Then click on this very arrow here to return back. Then what you need to do again is to look for adjust. Okay, as you can see it here. Once you click on it, swipe to this side until you get to HSL. Here is it. Then click on it. Then come over to green here, this particular one, click on it. Then adjust this saturation to left hand side, that is to -0. Then hue, adjust it to 100%. Then light, adjust lightness, adjust it to 100%. And then remember to click on this very point down arrow here. Having it clicked, then click on this very check mark key to indicate your action. You understand? So the next thing which you need to do is to bring the video towards that very bowl there. Okay, then use your 2 fingers to shrink it in, that is to zoom it in and bring it up to this side. Okay, to the point where it will size that very bowl. Okay, I think this position is okay. Having it done like this, okay, still having it highlighted, swipe to the left hand side until you get to mask. You can see it here. This is mask. Click on it for me, please. Then the next point, or the next thing which you need to do is to choose the second option, which is horizontal box. Having it clicked, it will appear like this. Okay, watch what I'm doing. Now use your thumb or any of your finger to adjust it like this. You can see what I'm doing, that very white circle. You can see it on the screen. I'm holding that very line, that yellow line. Okay, so I think this is okay. What you need to do again is to come over to this very point down arrow, this particular one. Then adjust it small down, that is down a bit. You can as well click on this very place, on that adjust, to have it here. This fader is what you can use to adjust it. Okay, but the fastest way is to use that, to just to click on that very button here and do it. Okay, so you can use any of the two. Having it like this, the next thing which you need to do is to click on this very check mark button, that good, to authenticate your action. Okay, so with this is the outcome of our video. So kindly do well to share to others so that they will benefit from this very tutorial. I remain your boy. Please, I beg you, like and comment, okay, on the comment section. By doing so, you are helping the video to go viral.